you guys, I thought it had been a little while since I shown you how to use the Gel Moment nail polish. It's a non-toxic one-step gel polish you can do from home. It's awesome. You need no base coat, no top coat. It goes on one application and you are out the door, which is so great. Doesn't matter if your nails are long or short. I tend to keep mine shorter because I'm a little harder on them, but it's like having salon nails, and it's done in your home, and it's also safe for kids. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay guys, so the first thing you do when you get your Gel Moment kit is you're going to want to take the buffer. So there's a softer side and there's more of a nail file side, like a rougher side. You want to take the softer buffer side and you just lightly buff over each nail. And you want to know why you do that? You're doing that to take off any excess oils on your nail. Then when you're done that, you're going to take, these are called our cleansing cloths. Now you can also use rubbing alcohol if you don't have any. These are just little cloths. I also have rubbing alcohol that I keep around at home anyway. But these come in your kit, so you will have these ready to go. And so that takes off any excess debris or oil that are on your fingers. So I'm going to use Heartbreak Pink, and you want to roll it. You don't want to shake it. And then I have our deluxe lamp here, which is awesome. It's just like a salon lamp because you just slide your fingers in and it starts. So it's awesome. Okay, so now I will show you. Just make sure you can see. Yeah, I'll just show you. It's a very pretty sparkly pink. This one is perfect for summertime. And you also get a cuticle pusher in your kit, so you can use that as well if you want to. I'm going to try and actually get in maybe just for a plain manicure, just so that my nails can still look, I'm a little rough, like I said, on my nails. So, and this is just one coat. Now you can do two, but you don't have to. It's one coat out the door, which is so awesome. I am so happy I found this product because I did used to go to the salon and get acrylics on, and you know, it wasn't like, I liked them for a while and then they would really drive me nuts, and or I'd want to change the color, and you weren't really able to do that. So I had them taken off when I found this product, and it's turned out to be awesome. So I've done 2 fingers, and you put it in here for, this lamp is 45 seconds, and then you are good to go. And I will show you the finish. You don't need a top coat or anything. They are absolutely ready to go. Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And they are done. And look, see? And so you get a shiny finish. All our polishes, you get a shiny finish. And if you don't like that, if you like a matte, we actually have a matte top coat that you can put over, which takes the shininess down. But I love this shiny. See, look how great that looks. Love, love, love this product. So, but yeah, I just love this product. It's so fast and so easy, and you can have nice nails. Your daughters can use it. You can use it when you're pregnant. It's so much better, and it saves you so much time and money at the salon. And also with everything going on in the world right now, it's just nicer to be able to do your own nails where you know where everything's been. You don't have to worry about contamination or anything like that. So let me know if you're interested. I will put some information below. You can find my link to where I became a distributor because I love the product. And I'll put my email and anything else, so you can follow me on social media. Thanks guys, have a great day.